Welcome to another Tech Tuesday video. Tech Tuesdays are brought to you by Delt, a professional learning project from Propel. This Tech Tuesday video is the fourth installment in our whiteboard review series. Today we will be reviewing Figjam, a digital whiteboard tool by Figma. To access Figjam, go to figma.com and select Get Started for free. You can create a free account with your email, or if you use an Delt email, you can use the Continue with Google option to create an account that links up with your Delt account. This will allow you to sync your Figjam boards directly to your Google Classroom and save them in your Drive folder. You can use either option to create a free account. Once you create your account, you'll need to select your name. You'll also answer a series of questions telling Figjam a little bit about who you are and what you intend to do with the software. To allow others to interact with your boards, you'll need to add them as collaborators. You can get started with a free account, and as an educator, you may be eligible for a free professional account. To get started with your first Figjam board, select New Figjam Board from the options along the top of the home screen. You can create a board from scratch, or you can use the generative AI feature on the right to generate ideas and designs for your first board. You can also explore the templates in the upper right corner to find the perfect design for your whiteboard. I'm going to choose a KWL chart for this whiteboard. Now I have an interactive whiteboard ready to go. I just need to switch out my own text, and I'm ready to begin accepting student responses. Once you've selected your design, you can use the tools at the bottom of your board to add elements. Each element is super customizable. You can use the marker tool to draw, highlight, or even to add digital washi tape to customize your design. The stickies and shapes tools at the bottom allow collaborators to add their ideas to your board. The colors and sizes are completely customizable. One of my favorite elements is the stamp function that allows collaborators to add voting dots, thumbs up or down, and other symbols to the board. This allows students or other participants to add emphasis, question marks, agreements, or even challenges to other comments, making it a little more fun to interact with what's already on the board. Figjam has a few other features that might make it a great fit for your classroom. In the upper right-hand corner of your board, you can find the timer, music, and voting features. You can set a built-in timer to let students work on an activity, and you can play background music right in the app. Another feature that I really like are the Jambot elements that use AI to help you brainstorm and organize your ideas. For example, the Ideate function generates a list of related ideas in response to a prompt from you. Just select Ideate, type your topic, and push the green button to generate ideas. Once you've got a set, you can keep going, asking the software to generate more and more ideas until you have your fill. There are several benefits to using Figjam Board as your digital whiteboard solution. These include the Google integration that includes a single sign-on option and allows you to share Figjam boards directly to your Google Classroom, the wide library of templates and features available for editing your Figjam boards, and the mobile app that makes Figma accessible from mobile devices. Some of the downsides of Figjam Board as a digital whiteboard solution include that every user must have an account to participate in any whiteboard activity. There are limitations to the free account and how many projects and features you can access, and the learning curve for the software can be pretty steep. Keep this in mind as you decide whether or not Figjam is the right tool for you. You can also use our other tech tool tips to decide whether or not this digital tool is one for your program. Always know your why. Why do you want to use a new digital tool? How will it enhance your practice? And always plan time to learn. Every new software is going to come with a learning curve, not just for you, but for your other team members as well.